morning, students. Today again I am going to continue the chapter, that is fundamental rights. In previous video we have discussed about rights to equality, rights to freedom, right against exploitation, rights to freedom of religion. We have discussed about right against exploitation, in which we have no right to exploit or misuse to anyone, especially kids and poor people. Children below age 14 is prohibited in this right to do the work. In right to freedom of religion also, every citizen has a right to practice his or her choice of religion. Everyone is free to do whatever his or her religion tells them to do. Now today, next topic, fifth topic, culture and educational rights. The main aim of this right is to protect minorities. We have multiple groups of people who are very less in numbers. They mostly live in rural areas. We can include certain castes and tribes who live in jungles, away from developed big cities and towns. Even a particular segment of public called Dalits, or the small religious group like the Parsis, come under minorities. All these people have a fundamental right to enjoy all the benefits that the majority of citizens enjoy. Also, the government helps and encourages the development of the cultural activities of different regions and communities. Next, sixth, right to constitution remedies. This right is very important for the legal development of citizens and the country. It is possible that the government may violate the fundamental rights of the citizen, but the right of constitution remedies protects the citizen against any political violation. According to this right, every citizen has a right to file complaints or lawsuits against the government in the high courts and the Supreme Court. Now, fundamental duties. Every right and duties are interrelated to each other. The people can understand the value of rule only if they are under the obligation to perform certain duties. Because of these certain duties, the 42 Amendment Act of 1976 added some responsibilities of citizens to our Constitution. This is called fundamental duties. Now, what are the duties that they have given to us? We must show respect to our national anthem and the national flag. We must respect our Constitution and rights and follow them in our daily lives. Defend the country and render national services when called upon. Preserve composite culture. Preserve the natural environment. Develop a scientific temper. Protect public property. Duty of parents or guardians to send their children in the age group of 6 to 14 years to schools. Now you have to write all these questions and answers in your fair copy. How are the fundamental duties related to fundamental rights? Why fundamental duties are important? Explain. Right to Constitution remedies.